Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to hide your story from anyone on Instagram. So the first thing that you just need to do is to open your Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen as well. Okay, now click on settings and privacy. Next, you have to scroll down and look for the hide story and live option. Okay, it is under the who can see your content section. Now click on hide story and live from. So as you can see here under the hide story from, this are your friends on Instagram. So if you want to hide your story from a specific friend, you just have to select them by clicking this one here. And then when you go back and check for the updates, refresh your updates, and there you can see that this specific friend of yours is can no longer see your story since you mark this specific friend. So that's it. That's how you can hide your story from anyone on Instagram. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.